Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to unbox and review Nike Air Force One, which is in the low form, like not the high ones, but the low one. These were limited edition ones. Like initially, I thought I would make them my daily wear shoes, but then, like the way I saw them selling out, even though they were on members access and they were one of the three different versions they've created, one for the Air Force One lows, one for the Air Force, and one for Air Jordan, and then the third one was for Nike mid blazers. So those were the high tops ones. I don't even prefer them, but since they were limited edition, so I thought like I'll get all three of them. But I was able to only secure and cop the Air Force One lows and the Air Jordan One lows. So let's have a look at the box first. So these are Nike Air Force One 07 LV8 in the color white, black and university red. My size is usual, UK 8.5 or US 9.5. I'm gonna sit on these for a while. I'm not gonna wear them at all, but I'm definitely gonna flip them. So here's the first look of Nike Air Force. Like they treat Air Force very differently. Like first off, if you can see the packaging, are the stars visible to you? I'm not sure. Let me bring it closer. You can see the stars are embossed on the packaging. Okay. Let's take out the shoes. So these are my first Air Force Ones, and let me say I'm not disappointed. The thick sole with the Air Force branding across the outer toe with the leather and Nike Air emboss. The sole for Air Force is different than the Air Jordan ones, and the tongue is quite thick. Let me take this out. Like they cost the same as the Air Jordan ones low, but they are easier to cop. But these were on members access, so you could only purchase one of a kind, like only one pair, not two, not three to resell, just one. So you can see that the swoosh is the same as the one for the Air Jordan 1 low, and same design was present in the mid blazers. I didn't got them, but here is. I'm not gonna take out the sole from the inside. It's pretty much the same, but okay, let's try taking it out. It's difficult. Yeah. Oh, okay. So the sole is glued to the base, so I cannot take it out. I tried, but okay, never mind. The leather, you can see it's somewhat similar. Like it's not normal for all the Air Force ones, but for this one, they had this style. And the branding, like why I told you that the tissue or the packaging had the stars in it, because the sole also has stars all across, as you can see, like on the top and at the bottom, and similar swoosh. There's nothing more to it. Let's try these out. Like these have a thick sole, so these are more comfortable, unlike the Air Force ones. Oh, unlike the Air Jordan ones, like whether they're high, low or mid, they're not comfortable. Like, but the sole on this, the midsole and the lower sole, it's extremely comfortable. So people, if you are looking for comfort, you'll go for Air Force One. I'll create a detailed review in a comparison of the Air Force One lows and the Air Jordan 1 lows. But something that pops out is the sole and the Air Force branding. Let's get to the on-feet review, shall we? So this is the on-feet review of Air Force One lows. Guys, this is the first time I'm wearing any Air Force Ones, and let me tell you, these are extremely heavy shoes. If I wear or compare them with my other day-to-day uses, these are extremely heavy shoes. Like, I can feel the weight on my legs, like I'm working out or something. But comfort wise, dude, like there is no competition with the Air Jordan ones or Nike, other sandals or Adidas. Yet, the Yeezys are much more comfortable than these. And another thing, like Air Force Ones are true to the size. Like, even though I have gotten the 8.5 size UK, but you can see like there is still some space left in the front. So you can go true to your size. Like, I can go to 8 and I would definitely feel comfortable. Like, you can see my legs are not bulging out because they are shaped accordingly. It's not ruining the shape of the shoe in any way. Yep. These are extremely comfortable and well built shoe. I will provide a detailed review of these with the Air Jordan 1's low, but I don't want to give much away right now. But if comfort is something you're looking for and you don't mind the chunky weight or chunky look of the shoe, I would recommend going for these. These are easy to cop, like not these ones, but other colorways, and they're more comfortable. They're extremely comfortable for the price point. So yeah, this is the review for the Air Force Ones low LV 707 LV8 2007 LV8. Okay, do subscribe. Bye.